Wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
Was that not a good idea?
No, it was terrible.
It was great. It's gonna be in there. It's gonna be in the video. Here today on Bamboo's Garage, we have Meguiars Headlight Restoration. Sponsor, please. Sponsor someone. Please sponsor us. Just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. Maybe. PP touch. Alright.
Oh god, dude.
Pretty foggy. Yeah.
Dude.
Yep. After that, after today, it's gonna be brand spanking new. Itching. Yeah. What are you doing? I'm just itching, man. Alright, first instructions, remove any dust, dirt, headlights using glass cleaner. Mask edges with masking tape. Alright.
That's pretty
straightforward. Pretty straightforward.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Meguiars. Oh yeah.
Oh, it already looks way better. Done. Alright.
Done.
Let's go home. Getting it?
Over here. Yeah. Ooh,
dude, is this ram air? You just...
So we're gonna wipe it off with some alcohol.
Some vodka.
Shot. No, too much. Oh god.
Stage 2, wet sand.
This has a really nice grip to it.
The sanding block?
Mm-hmm. Give me a little spray down. Oh yeah. Hey there. How are you doing? Here we are. Just finished sanding. We went from 1,000 to 3,000 grit, and now we're gonna polish. It all came out real smooth.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
Foggy, but...
Well, it's sanding.
That's the point.
That's what sanding does. So now we're gonna polish it. It looks, I'm pretty happy with it so far.
So we did the 1,000 and then we did the 3,000.
For about, what, 10 minutes per, probably? Yeah, 10 minutes per headlight.
Trying to keep the boring stuff out.
Yeah. So, attach to drill. My god, matching. Freaking matching.
Shut up.
Alright.
I need to go.
No turning back. It says nickel size. Alright, now I got this mixed. We're gonna go ahead and add it to the drill. Nickel size. What is it? Who even carries nickels? Is that?
That's like a.
Is it?
That's like a silver dollar.
Okay. Well, let's start with this side. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Alright, here we go. Really rub it all in there. You know what I'm saying?
Wow. First little bit. That looks awesome.
That came out really good. Holy crap. That was just literally just the first coat. I'm gonna do another one. Wow.
Hold on, it's not focused. There we go. That looks great.
Look at that. All right.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
Glass. Dude, this stuff works. This works way better than I thought it would. Thumbs up, Meguiars. Good freaking job.
Yeah, that looks amazing.
That literally looks brand new.
That looks amazing. What do you think?
I am like blown away.
Dude, it's like
2 passes. Yeah. 2 passes.
Wow. 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 Oh wow. Wow. Wow.
Hey Jens, what do you think?
I'm blown away. It took what, maybe 20 minutes per headlight?
Yeah.
2 passes, well, so 1 pass, each grit, 1,000, 3,000, sandpaper. 2 passes with the plastic X, glass. Literally looks like glass.
That looks great.
Fucking dirty the camera. Fucking get it. So this was the kit again. They have different, what is it? Different, like different levels of headlight restoration. This is supposed to be the heaviest duty one. I think they have.
Yeah, it says 1 year at the bottom.
Yeah. Oh yeah, here. Severe, moderate, light. We got the severe, even though it wasn't severe. And just 2 passes.
Yeah, it looks
with
good.
the plastic X. Done. Cheapest and easiest thing I've done, especially with the drill, made it insanely easy. 100% recommend. My thinking was I had to get the headlights done because next weekend, cars and coffee.
Coffee and cars.
They call it coffee and cars here. No idea why. I'm so used to saying cars and coffee.
Trademark.
Yeah. Anyways, this is gonna be up by the booth, so I had to make the headlights look good. Thanks for watching, guys. No, it wasn't super informative, but it was so easy. Even I can do it, and I screw everything up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Subscribe. She says subscribe.
Down
there. Down there.
There.